Okay, so the 28th problem in the Leet code is to find the index of the first occurrence in a string. Okay, so basically we'll be given a string and also we'll be given a substring. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to find, like, I mean, here the word is sad, right? We'll have to find the first occurrence of it. Sad is here and here. There are two occurrences, but we'll have to get the first occurrences indices. Okay, index actually. So this is the first occurrence, right? We'll have to get the index, and when it is, we'll have to return the index, and if it is not found, then we'll have to return a -1. Okay, and that's the problem about. And coming to the implementation, right, what we can do is we can either do the character by character comparison. So basically, like, I mean, we'll be having this and we'll be having this substring, right? We can check if the first string matches with this or not, and if it matches, then we can do the we can do the next comparisons, right? But this will reduce the time complex, like, I mean, it will increase the time complexity as we're going by character. And so instead of going by that, what we can do instead is we can go by the substring, basically like substring comparison. Okay, so what we'll do is, so like, I mean, this is the length, right? We have sad, which is of length 3, correct? So what we'll do is we'll also pick the 3 character from this one by one. Okay, we'll pick these three and do that. Okay, like when we pick these 3 and we'll do the comparison. Okay, we'll do the string comparison. If it matches, then we'll return the index of it. And also, as we are returning, as we are doing from the start to end, right? So obviously we'll be finding the first occurrences. Whenever there is a first match, it is nothing but a first occurrences, we'll be returning the index of it. Okay, so that is the logic. Like, we can do the character by character comparison also. That will actually improve the, sorry, it will actually increase the time complexity. So instead, what we can do is go about the substring comparison. Okay, so what are we doing here? And we are basically building that substring based on the length. Like, if the length is 3, right, we'll be building like kind of window. We'll have to try the three substrings and do the comparison to see if it is a match or not. If it is a matching, then we'll be returning the index. Okay, and also we need to make sure to keep the set the range correctly. So meaning, let's say that at the end of the, we are at the end of the string. Okay, and substring is length of 3, and let's say that if I try to read the characters behind it, it will error out, right? Like, I mean, we won't get a proper output, correct? So that is why we need to make sure to set the proper range, meaning whatever the length we have, right, we need to eliminate. However, it doesn't make sense to compare d with any of the character, right? Because this length is third one, but we are left with only 2 characters or 1 character. That doesn't make sense, right? So we'll have to ignore those characters which is less than the length of this. Okay, so that's why we'll have to set the proper length here and then do the string comparison. That's it. Thank you.